Good morning, good morning, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. We're back to the regular schedule. You guys get your good morning. Uh, it's a long time I haven't got up. Um, I get up early every day, but it's a long time I don't get the chance to film getting up like this. It's always getting up early and rushing and heading out and not getting to do my regular filming in the morning when I get up. It's early now. It's about 6:30. Um, you know, so a long time I haven't gotten to do this part of it. It's always me getting up and rushing, going to the salon. Wasn't here over the weekend, stuff like that. So good morning, good morning, good morning. I could finally get back around my little makeshift office here and you know start the morning the way how I normally start the morning. So I got the bird. See, it's early. Sun is not out yet, but I got the bird feeder up and running. Feeding the feed is inside the bird feeder, so they eat now. Yesterday there was a lot of birds out there. So yeah, yesterday I was up and down getting the van together for it to go out. We're on the road getting a couple stuff. Um, Working on it, getting it sorted out. So now that's good to go. Um, It's already gone. It left yesterday. He's in Cincinnati, Ohio, by this morning. We had picked up the load. If you watch yesterday's video, you'll see we went to pick up the load and everything. It was right around the street from here. It was like 8 minutes away from the house. So we got the load, picked it up. He left out around 4 yesterday. By 9, 10 o'clock, he was up there in Knoxville. He's now in Cincinnati, Ohio, making that delivery this morning. It should be delivered by 8 a.m. or 7 a.m., something like that. So check the GPS. He's already there. Today we'll just wait on another load and see if he gets another load to go somewhere else. That's how the expediting thing goes. Um, so yeah, we today I'm here. I'm going to yesterday's video. You probably saw me getting the washer hose, the power wash hose. So I got the power wash hose. I'm gonna hook it up today. Put the hose on to the power wash. Get it started up. Wash the trailer down. I'm gonna clean that trailer down and get it ready for some pictures so I could post it. So I am selling the trailer, the food trailer. I got it up here. We emptied it the other day. Got everything out of it that I needed. So I'm just gonna clean everything out, throw whatever junk is in it out, and get it ready to be listed. I have a potential buyer, not sure. It's just a potential buyer. So I'll get the pictures to them and see if they're interested. I'll probably just lower the price reasonably so that I could get it sold. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to work on the trailer, get it clean. You know, today is also back to school day. Guys, I don't know about you guys, but whenever you gotta go pick up, at school and drop off, sometimes it takes a lot out of your day. But it's something we all gotta do when you got kids, right? Uh, you, although she's older, it's still we still have to, do what we gotta do. Anyhow, um, so today might cut short because I gotta pick up my daughter. All right, so that's the order of the day. I don't have to go to the salon early today. It was clean yesterday in the evening. So I'll just take the time this morning before the sun get hot and pick the put the trailer out over and to get it cleaned. Move that over. Um, I got it parked over in the grass area over in the under the trees. So I'm gonna move it over into the driveway, clean it out, get it together, um, get those pictures ready. So pretty much that's what I'm gonna take today and do. I want to go over by the county though at some point. So I'll probably do what I gotta do and head over to the county just to get an update on the plans to see if they review it or anything. I'm gonna shoot the architect a text, see if he hears anything on his side. On my side, me logging into that zip portal for Gwinnett County is there's no information on it. They don't give us any update information. They don't email me or anything. They in contact with the architect. So nothing is being relayed to me as far as the lady had told me that when I set up this zip portal and log into the zip portal and stuff, I would be able to see all what's going on. But to be honest, there's nothing. When I log in there, there's nothing going on in there in terms of the process, where they are in the process. It doesn't say. So their updates are not. There's no updates. It just, when you log in now, it still says, it just gives us the date when it was accepted. The plans were accepted. That's it. So with that being said, I'm going to go over there and try and speak to somebody and see if it's expedited or not, if we can expedite it, or just to see where they are with it. So yeah, let's go take a look on the outside. I have to cut the lawn too, guys. It's been raining. It's been raining almost every day here in Georgia. So when the rain falls like that, it pretty much makes the lawn grow fast. So it's nice and green, but it's getting kind of high, and there's a lot of leaves all over. So I just have to cut it and make it look neat again, So yeah, I don't hear any birds this morning. They haven't woken up yet. Back here is quiet today. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. Normally it's never this quiet, guys. Yeah, normally it's never this quiet. I hear some crickets and so, but I hear some birds in the distance, but it's normally never this quiet. Anywho, I'm gonna get to it. Make me some hot water and go outside. And it's garbage day. I'm gonna take the garbage out. Yeah, it's garbage day. I'm gonna take the garbage out. It's a beautiful day today. The sun is coming out. There's no clouds, so it might not rain today. But I'm gonna get going before it gets hot, guys. It gets super hot in Atlanta here in the summertime. 97, 98, 100, feels like 100. It gets super hot. So let me get started. Alright guys, so this is life every day. So I gotta empty the garbage. As I said, this channel, guys, just reminder, it's my life every day. It's stuff that I have to do every day. It's just everyday life. It's stuff that you guys do in your life as well. So it's it's about me emptying the garbage, putting out the garbage, washing the car, cutting the lawn. That's life every day, So give me a minute. I'm gonna set you up right here. I'm gonna take the garbage out. Alright guys, so let's go get the other garbage can. I'm gonna wash them up. They're kinda messy. Every now and then you gotta wash the garbage cans out, you know? See? It's not dirty, but I still wash it out. And got one right there. It's got, yeah, so I just washed them out. So guys, I checked with the architect. He checked on the plan review and it's still in review. It says review in progress. So we still waiting on the plans, guys. There's nothing we could do in terms of the plans. We just gotta wait until the county finish reviewing them, you know. Absolutely nothing we could do. I mean, we could go over there and ask about it, request, you know, how far they are and stuff like that, but they ain't gonna rush. I say I was gonna go over there and try and see if there's any kind of expediting system they have or anything like that that we could use to expedite the plans a little bit more, but I'm gonna go over there later and ask about it, just to see, you know? I'll get me some soap, guys. I'll be right back. Guys, this garbage can, it's got, you see how it don't have no holes in it. So whenever you wash it out, whatever is in there can't get to come out. And then they have this lip on it. They got this lip on it where the stuff hard to wash out. So I think I'm gonna modify it and put like a hole in the bottom. That way, whenever we wash it out, it could just drain right out. See, there's no holes in it. I don't know why they make it like that. And you can't take it apart either. So it's just a stupid design. So I'm gonna bore a hole in it right here, so when I wash it out, you know, all any kind of rice grains or crumbs or anything, it could just wash right out. Every time I wash this pan, I can't get the stuff out of it because there's a lip, and this lip, it can't even come off. You can't even take the lid off of it. So I don't know why would they. I don't know. It's just poor design, guys. Poor design. See, you can't take the cover off. Anyway, I'm gonna get me some soap so I could wash it down properly. Although if I put a hole in it, let me see. Yeah. That fell, guys. guys, so I want to get my camera wet. Let me move it. Alright guys, so let me get the blower. So guys, you remember those engine mounts I had the other day? There was this guy supposed to come and meet me to pick them up. He didn't show, but they ended up selling on eBay. So I had to ship them out the other day. But I was just saying, you know, I sold one more item, pretty much. One more item got sold. Sometimes it's just patience when it comes to these things for sale. Just gotta have a little bit of patience, yeah. I'm gonna move the truck over. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Oh, I forgot. I gotta blow off the back porch. Back porch is just filled with. It's been storming lately, so it's just filled with all sorts of grass and dust, cobwebs as well. So I'm gonna try and set you up somewhere, guys. Hold on. Put you over here. Alright. So guys, the mango seed thing is a fail. It didn't grow, so I'm gonna throw it out. Yeah. Instagram lying to us. Maybe it's a different type of seed or something, but I tried it, it didn't grow. that at the time. Me not reach back over here till probably about 4 o'clock, you know. 4 or 5. Yeah, me about 4 or 5. Me try to hurry up there with them. I can beat the traffic. Yeah. We got some